Understanding Rainwater Cisterns, a step-by-step guide. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. Today, we'll explore a fascinating concept: rainwater cisterns. These are not just words, but a sustainable way of collecting and storing rainwater. Let's dive into what rainwater cisterns are, their importance, and how they are used. A rainwater cistern is essentially a storage system for rainwater. It's designed to collect and store rainwater that falls on roofs, making it available for use later. This system typically includes a catchment area, a conveyance system, and the cistern itself, which is a waterproof container. It's an age-old method that has modern applications, especially in areas where water is scarce or where people want to reduce their environmental footprint. Rainwater cisterns are more than just a storage solution. They are a crucial component in water conservation efforts. They help in 1. Reducing the demand on municipal water supplies. 2. Decreasing stormwater runoff, which can reduce erosion and pollution in our waterways. 3. Providing a sustainable water source for landscaping, gardening, and other outdoor uses. Understanding the value of rainwater cisterns can lead to more environmentally friendly practices and a greater appreciation of our natural resources. Rainwater cisterns come in various types and sizes, each suited to different needs and circumstances. Some common types include 1. Underground cisterns, great for saving space and keeping the water cool. 2. Above-ground cisterns, easier to install and maintain but can take up space and need insulation against temperature changes. Each type has its own set of benefits and challenges, and the choice depends on factors like climate, land, and the intended use of the collected water. Having a rainwater cistern is just the beginning. Proper usage and maintenance are key to ensuring a safe and efficient system. Some essential practices include 1. Regularly checking for leaks and overflows. 2. Ensuring the water is appropriately filtered if it's going to be used for certain purposes like irrigation. 3. Cleaning the gutters and screens regularly to prevent blockages. Proper maintenance ensures that the system remains functional and the stored water is clean and safe for use. Rainwater cisterns are an excellent step towards sustainable living and water conservation. They remind us of the importance of valuing and preserving our natural resources. I hope this session shed light on what rainwater cisterns are, their significance, and how they can be a valuable addition to homes and communities. Remember, every drop counts. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.